Hi. In the previous class, we discussed about order and degree of the differential equations. Now we are going to discuss about the solution of differential equations. Solution of a differential equation. A solution of a differential equation is a relation between the variables not containing the differential coefficients, such that this relation and the derivatives obtained from it satisfy the given differential equation. So let us take a differential equation is d square y by dx square minus 2 dy by dx plus 2y equal to 0. Let it be take equation 1 and y equal to e power x into a cos x plus b sin x. So let us see whether this function is a solution of the given differential equation or not. So here differentiating with respect to x on both sides, then dy by dx equal to, it's in the form of uv method. So u dash is e power x into v remains the same. So a cos x plus b sin x plus uv dash e power x remains the same. Derivative of a cos x is minus a sin x plus derivative of b sin x is b cos x. To get the second order derivative, again differentiate it with respect to x. So d square y by dx square equal to this result can be written as y. So derivative of y is dy by dx plus, again it is in the form of uv, e power x into minus a sin x plus b cos x plus e power x into minus a sin x. Derivative is minus a cos x. This derivative is minus b sin x. So this can be written as dy by dx plus, this result is e power x into minus a sin x plus b cos x is. If we transpose this y is this side, we can write this as dy by dx minus y plus, this result is minus take common. If we take minus common, this is e power x times of a cos x plus b sin x. So again this result we can write it as y from the given value. Then this result is, so d square y by dx square equal to 2 dy by dx minus y, and this is also minus y. So minus 2y. Let us take 1. Therefore 1 implies that LHS is d square y by dx square minus 2 times of dy by dx plus 2y. So here d square y by dx square, we are going to substitute this value, 2 times of dy by dx minus 2y. This is minus 2 dy by dx plus 2y. So these two gets cancelled and these two also. So the result is 0. That equal to RHS. So we got LHS equal to RHS. Hence y equal to e power x into a cos x plus b sin x is satisfied the given equation, differential equation 1. So that y is equal to e power x into a cos x plus b sin x is a solution of the given differential equation 1. Types of a solution of a differential equation. These are two types. The first one is general solution and the next one is particular solution. So general solution, the solution in which the number of arbitrary constants is equal to the order of the differential equation is called a general solution of a given differential equation. If you go to the previous example, so here d square y by dx square minus 2 dy by dx plus 2y equal to 0. So we got the solution as y equal to e power x into a cos x plus b sin x. So here order of this differential equation is 2. Here the arbitrary constants are also 2. So the number of arbitrary constants are 2. When these two are equal, then the solution is called general solution of the given differential equation. Particular solution. If a particular values are given to the arbitrary constants in the general solution, then the solution so obtained is called the particular solution. In the above example, if we take y equal to e power x into a cos x plus b sin x. Let us take a equal to 2 and b equal to 3. Then y equal to e power x into 2 cos x plus 3 sin x. So y equal to e power x into 2 cos x plus 3 sin x is called a particular solution of the given differential equation 1. Thank you for watching this video.